Welcome to Behavior Frontiers Applied Behavior Analysis, or ABA, training with an autism specialization. This is Part 1, the instruction and practice component of a two-part training series. If you are taking this training, you most likely interact with a student with autism or other special needs. Whether you are a student's parent, teacher, therapist, or classroom aide, you have probably been faced with some challenging situations in which you wished you had more ways to help your student. In this training, you will learn how to use proven methods to help students with autism and other special needs. You will become more confident in your interactions with these students because you know the right thing to do and how to do it right. As you see your students' behavior improving, you will feel excited about your students' potential for future success. After completing this training, you will be able to understand the characteristics of autism. You will be able to understand ABA principles, as well as ABA methods and approaches, such as discrete trial teaching, or DTT, naturalistic teaching strategies, or NATS, and verbal behavior, or VB. You will also be able to understand how to use a functional assessment to figure out why problem behaviors are happening and understand related interventions to reduce these behaviors. You will understand how to collect data on student progress. Finally, you will understand how to act in an ethical manner when using ABA methods to help students with special needs. As we move through this training, you will be given the definition of key concepts, which will be followed by either examples, procedures, or guidelines related to using these concepts to help students with autism. Each concept may also have a video demonstration of a behavior instructor who is a teacher, classroom aide, parent, or therapist using the method with a student. Activities, such as role play of ABA methods, are available, as well as questions to help you begin thinking about the concepts you have learned. This training is followed by a multiple-choice examination to show your understanding of the material, which may be taken on paper or online. If you take and pass the written examination with a score of 80% or above, you will receive a certificate of completion for Part 1, the instruction and practice component for the Behavior Frontiers ABA training with an autism specialization. Once you have passed your written test, which demonstrates your understanding of these concepts, it is recommended that you participate in Part 2, the field experience component of this training program. During the field experience component, you will receive competency-based, hands-on training from a behavior consultant regarding how to use ABA methods while actually interacting with your student. Also, it is recommended that the methods explained in this training are used under the supervision of a board-certified behavior analyst, or BCBA, who designs and updates the student's behavior intervention plan. Furthermore, it is recommended that the safety of students in your care is ensured before, during, and after using any methods described in this training. Finally, it is recommended that you only use these methods within your physical limitations. It is your responsibility to inform your trainer if you have any injury or physical limitation that prevents you from using a particular method during the course of this training program.